To use back tap gestures on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first we need to go to settings, then over here scroll all the way down and choose additional settings, and then go to gesture shortcuts. Over here you should be able to find back tap, so let's select it, and now we have the choice to set up the double back tap or also the triple back tap gesture. You can use both of them if you like to, but you can choose to set up just one. So if you select any of these, then you can choose what should happen when you perform the back tap gesture. So let's say I'm gonna set up the silent mode for the double back tap. So now I can double back tap the back of the phone, which is somewhere over here. As you can see, my finger is here. So I can double tap it, and as you can see, the silent mode is disabled. And if I double tap again, the silent mode is enabled. So this is how it works, and this is how we can use the back tap gesture. Essentially, you want to tap with your finger somewhere on this area here, of course below the camera. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!